Hi, it's Isabel at Lloyd South Lakes BMW, and here we have a BMW X2 M Sport finished in Black Sapphire Metallic. The front headlights and fog lights are LED, giving you more visibility and making you more visible to other traffic when visibility may be low. It has 19-inch M double-spoke bicolour alloy wheels, and in the rear windows it has sun protection glass, protecting backseat passengers from harmful UV rays, while also adding an element of privacy. It has an electric boot lid for safe and easy access when you may struggle to open or close it manually. As it's an M Sport car, it has the M Sport suspension, lowering the car by 10mm, and it has a more direct suspension setup for dynamic and sporty driving. It has a top speed of 139 mph, and it can get from 0 to 62 in 7.3 seconds. It has a reverse camera, assisting you with parking and reversing, as it gives you extra visibility to use as well as your mirrors. Moving on to the interior, it has the Black Dakota leather with perforation upholstery and front heated sport seats, essential for driving in the winter as they're quick heating. If you're interested in learning more about this X2 xDrive20i M Sport, please get in touch via the details provided, or come and visit us at Lloyd South Lakes BMW.